Hello and welcome to Shrimpy. My name is Jade and today we will learn how to transfer funds from one portfolio to another. To begin, we make sure that Shrimpy is neither rebalancing nor dollar cost averaging either of our portfolios. Since Shrimpy makes trades during these two processes, the available amount to transfer will remain unknown. To prevent transfer failures, Shrimpy disables transfers during these events. To unlock our portfolio for transfer, we wait for all rebalances to complete. Then we select Stop Automation in the Automation tab. After we transfer our funds, we can restart the automation again. To transfer funds between portfolios, we go back to the dashboard and select Manage Portfolios. Then, we choose the portfolio we wish to pull funds from. After that, we'll select the portfolio we want to move funds to. Then we can choose all of the assets we wish to move. You can see the total value of the transfer here. Now we will move the funds. Back on the dashboard, we can now see our assets are in the example portfolio. If you have any further questions about transferring funds or any other topics, please reach out to our friendly support team at support@shrimpy.io. We look forward to hearing from you.